Do you have any hacks, if you will, on how would a company go about implementing tagging?
Start small, kind of the crawl, walk, run mentality, right? Don't overcomplicate things. Where you should start though is define what your taxonomy is, your tagging taxonomy. Figure out what are the types of tags that you want to define and what information, try to standardize that information, what's going to go into those tags. If you leave it all to free form text, there's data quality issues can creep in because one person types, has a typo in their tag, and then now your reporting is off, and you have to do some manual cleanup on the back end when you're doing your reporting. So creating those standards, but that taxonomy can be start small and start simple. Again, don't overcomplicate, but the base level things, some good examples are what's the business unit? What's the application that's associated with this? So, most people can think in terms of, this is their HR application or this is our ERP or whatever. That makes sense at that level. But if you want to get more granular than that, you can. You can go down to the cost center or what have you. But again, you don't need to overcomplicate. Other good things are who created it. So you can go back and find out why it was created, and so tagging it. And some of these things can be automatically tagged when a resource is created. You know who created it, and you can actually attach that. What date it was created, so you can look for stale resources. This can, again, not just from a cost perspective, it can also help you with the cleanup and cost optimization down the road. You can identify a resource that's been sitting there and underutilized for 12 months. You can try to track down, is this actually still needed? Maybe it was a development test system that was spun up and forgotten about.